If you notice, we have an illuminated handlebar. We have a lighted step. Very gorgeous as you enter. You have your controls for the inverter and light switches on the side. As we come in, you'll notice it's very spacious. Lots of room. You have your Fox fireplace, giant kitchen. These are your seismic recliners. They're power massage, power lumbar, power headrest. They have all kinds of attachments that come with it. We have 2 of each attachment. You have your leveling system, your power mirrors. Currently there's 47,324 miles. You have a 4-camera, 9-inch monitor vision system. You have your front, your rear, your left, and your right. And you can go full screen on any of them. Or when you go to reverse, it automatically goes there. Or if you do your turn signal, it automatically goes there. You have a DVD radio, touchscreen, flip screen. You also have your battery monitor and your tank test. You have a laptop tray. Underneath the laptop tray is a nice pull-out drawer where you can store your laptop and accessories. You have all your controls for the TVs. You have Roku, Apple, DVD, and regular HD antenna, as well as satellite on the 2 TVs. Up here you have your clock, your slide out, your battery disconnects. You have a convection microwave, a full oven and stove, a washer dryer combo, on the other side over here we have dinette cushions that are getting remade. They're going to have the pattern like this, and they're going to match this fabric exactly, so you won't see the wood here. It'll be full-size cushions. That was over $1,000 just to do that. We have 12-volt marine fans throughout the unit. They are gimbal fans, so they go 360 degrees in any way. We have a giant refrigerator, 4-door, currently staying at 33 degrees. Also includes an ice maker. This is a big, big, big refrigerator. Behind us over here, we have a gorgeous half bath. Next is the main bedroom. Notice the illuminated headboard and the other 2 marine fans on each side. On the opposite side over here, you have your entertainment and your tabletop fireplace. We have a very large closet, his and hers. It does also include this brand new Dyson Micro Vacuum. Lots of drawers underneath. Lots of storage underneath the bed. Have a great rear bath with a super bright vanity light. Nice vacuum flush toilet. And if we come over here, you can see the shower rain glass, the teak flooring, the shower wall. Again, this is from the back looking forward. You got your bedroom, your entertainment, your half bath, refrigerator, dinette, washing machine, convection microwave, regular oven and cooktop, Nice sink. Box fireplace. Front entertainment area. And let's get a look here. If we come up, give you an idea. Look how gorgeous that looks. Alright, the price is $80,000 firm. It's on RV Trader. If you're interested, feel free to give us a call, 626-789-4045. We'll answer any questions. We'll be around the Florida area for another week or two, and then we'll be out of here. Thank you. This is a video of the 2011 Fleetwood Bounder. Try to get this camera to go as steady as possible. This is the 35H for sale on RV Trader. Look at all the storage bays. This is where you have your water pump, your fresh water filter. This is where you have your bypass for the 10-gallon hot water heater. This is the full cover that comes with this unit. This is where I keep my pressure washers, spare gas and generators and maintenance items pass through. Again, this is the pass-through from the rear. This is our Cummins 5500 generator. This is the wet bay. Also, we have a security light that goes on with the wet bay light. And then we have our underslide storage. This is the blue ox hitch that comes with this unit. Storage goes full length.